my friends! How is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
clothes in English. Coat, coat. Trench coat, trench coat. Raincoat, raincoat. Jacket, jacket. Leather jacket, leather jacket. Blazer, blazer. Hoodie, hoodie. Sweater, sweater. Shirt, shirt, for men. Blouse, blouse, the version of shirt for women. Polo shirt, polo shirt. T-shirt, t-shirt. Hawaiian shirt, Hawaiian shirt. Tank top, tank top. Suit, suit. Dress, dress. Overalls, overalls. Tracksuit, tracksuit. Jeans, jeans. Pants, pants. Sweatpants, sweatpants. Cargo pants, cargo pants. Pajamas, pajamas. Bathrobe, bathrobe. Bikini, bikini. Swimsuit, swimsuit. Bikini, bikini. Bra, bra. Panties, panties. Swimming trunks, swimming trunks. Underpants, underpants. Cap, cap. Hat, hat. Gloves, gloves. Belt, belt. Scarf, scarf. Tie, tie. Socks, socks. Handbag, handbag. Bow tie, bow tie. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Slippers, slippers. Shoes, shoes. Boots, boots. High heels, high heels. Sneakers, sneakers. Flip-flops, flip-flops.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!